The following message is transmitted at the request of the South Dakota Police Department. This is an emergency alert. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. On 2 p.m. today, 2 SCP Keter-class creatures escaped from containment. We are unable to join the SCP Foundation at this time, so for now we do not know which SCP creatures escaped. The SCP Foundation is a secret organization charged to contain and protect from non-human creatures and objects or places that are not explainable by modern science. The 2 SCP creatures that escaped are from the Keter class. The Keter class regroups all the dangerous creatures and objects that are dangerous for the human being. If you see one of the creatures, lock immediately all doors and windows, as they can kill you. Do not go outside, as they can be everywhere. We will make another alert to keep you informed on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the SCP Foundation. The 2 SCP Keter-class creatures that escaped from containment have been confirmed to be SCP-682 and SCP-106. These creatures are extremely dangerous, and they will immediately try to kill you if they see you. For your safety, follow the following instructions. Do not go outside, as the creatures can be everywhere, as they are still not located. If you spot one of the creatures or both, lock all doors and windows and call 911 immediately. The SCP Foundation is on its way to find the creatures and contain them. If one or both the creatures saw you, hide immediately in a room that has no windows, and lock its entrance. We will keep you informed soon. The following message is transmitted at the request of the SCP Foundation and the South and North Dakota Police Department. SCP-106 has been located by South Dakota Police Department. The creature unfortunately killed all the police officers, as the bullet wounds are not effective on it. SCP-106 is actually roaming in South Dakota, making its way to reach North Dakota. SCP-682 is still not located at this time. All citizens of North and South Dakota are advised to lock themselves in a room with no windows and minimal entrances. If you spot SCP-106, do not go for him, as he will kill you. Hide immediately in a room described before and call 911 immediately. The SCP Foundation is coming to contain SCP-106. Be calm and remain silent at all times to avoid SCP-106 to spot and kill you. The following message is transmitted at the request of the SCP Foundation. SCP-106 has been contained. SCP-682 has been confirmed to be in California. The SCP Foundation is coming to contain SCP-682. To protect against SCP-682, follow these instructions. Do not go outside. SCP-682 is very strong and fast, and he will kill you if he sees you. Do not try to fight SCP-682, as you will lose. If SCP-682 sees you, it's too late. As he can destroy walls and doors due to its strength, it's useless to hide. All California citizens are strongly advised to go away as far as they can, and refugee in a fallout shelter. Grab food and water to survive in the shelter, as the SCP Foundation will probably take time to control and contain SCP-682. Take a TV or radio station powered by batteries to keep being informed on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the SCP Foundation. Unfortunately, SCP-682 has found and killed many people in California, as two little boys named Josh Gardens and David Fellow. Both were killed by bite in the neck. SCP-682 is progressing through the California attempting to reach Pennsylvania. All citizens who live in California and Pennsylvania are strongly advised to seek in a fallout shelter, and grab food, water, power supplies, and radios to keep being informed. SCP Foundation has found SCP-682, but the creature is hostile, and is not letting itself being controlled. SCP-682 attacked and killed 5 of the SCP Foundation personnel, and flew in direction of Pennsylvania. All citizens of Pennsylvania must hide. If SCP-682 sees you, it is too late. Please do not panic, as this will make the situation get worse. Do not make any loud noise, as SCP-682 can hear you. The following message is transmitted at the request of the SCP Foundation. SCP-682 has killed many people in Pennsylvania, as they were not protecting against him. At least 500 people got killed since the beginning of SCP-682 rampage. SCP-682 is going through Pennsylvania, trying to reach Florida. All Pennsylvania and Florida citizens must hide from the beast, and grab food, water, power supplies and radios to keep being informed on this dangerous situation.